Volvo spare key programming. Hello again from OGS Mechanics and Car Key Solutions workshop, where today we've got a Volvo XC40 and we're just going to show you the procedure of programming new spare key. So what we need first of all is the diagnostic equipment, which can only be the Volvo genuine tool. We already have loaded the software. You can see here we read the keys. Currently there are 3 keys stored in the car memory. We're following the procedure from here. After, obviously, like I said, we read the car, we read the keys. There's a button that says add keys. Instructions are given where the new key has to be placed. So inside the cup holder, next to the front pocket. So we place it just like that. This is a symbol of the key. By the way, this is also the place where you should position the key in case there is no battery in the key. So it's also called like emergency start slot. So we have positioned the key over there according to the procedure, and now we click on start programming process. If the procedure is successful, it should say the ignition is programmed correctly. So obviously we don't want another key programmed, but what we're going to do now, we're gonna test the key. So we're gonna switch off the ignition. We will try the remote, see if it's operate. So we can see pressing the unlock activates the hazards. This indicates the key has been programmed successfully. So now the customer has an extra key. 2 keys are not present in here. We're not gonna delete the keys on this particular occasion. We're closing the procedure. The software download, it still has few steps to finalize. But this was the procedure of programming a spare key. It's always good to have a spare key before you lose all available keys. Again, procedure can only be done with the Volvo main dealer tool on those type of Volvos. And to add, we cover all models for key programming. Again, a glimpse in our activity here in OGS Mechanics and Car Key Solutions, one stop for all your vehicle needs.